it's Gina from WTI. I'm so excited about this set of dishes from Grow Forward because they are unbreakable and they are from plant-based materials. These are wheat straw dishes. I got the 8-piece set in Seascape. These colors are so vibrant and gorgeous, and you can tell that they are among my favorite color tones because I have lots of other things in my kitchen that match this. My husband and I are full-time RVers, and we love how lightweight these are, how durable they are, and how we can use them for everyday meals. I might have had a little bit too much fun proving that these are unbreakable. I toss them around in our kitchen on cement. I am somebody who constantly breaks dishes, so I'm so happy to not have to worry about that anymore. These are wonderful, not just for children, but for adults. Again, I'm very accident prone when it comes to dishes. These are a great healthy alternative to using plastic. They're BPA free and food safe. These are wonderful for use in an RV like us, or when you go camping, on a picnic, or just in your home, whether you have children or not. I really like the rim on the plate too because I'm kind of a messy eater. So I like having that. It helps to keep things on the plate instead of falling on me. I couldn't be more pleased with this dish set from Grow Forward. They're gorgeous, they're functional, and they don't break. You should check them out if you're looking for something like this, and that's my point of view.